no nyame anim no krenye nioma me nipa quickly na fe minya ma woni unia CJ na monto amodwuma pa mo ye wa so ya chia wona ehwe wo social media ayo adaroma na wono so etie ba bi omutie bia de ha adwene chese pa ne se bepese me hunu de enti a ebepem sa abre bots no any chief executives ne director general
appointment no
MI because ama ya hochira yekom no e depend more ana makwanya bi amanuoma bi a ensem fata se koso enyumakuo bim any assemblies bim no so no ekoso etigana mampanyi so wahanko ade a asembisa ne say what has kept these appointments 7 months
July money e wono
7 months
yeah
7 months and we are still just looking on.
Yeah, we ministerial appointment.
7 months.
Yeah, we deputy ministerial appointment.
7 months. Director generals, boards, chief executives. 7 months.
Ache.
It is Ghana na hanging on. No be a hanging on night. Since Obiano, Onas na tatai. So Onas so tatai. It's not a good sign,
baby.
A chesa oyade. The moment I didn't so there. One kwanya Dr. Papa manam prescribe amawa. Ebi ni youth agitation.
Yeah.
Ebi ni adidi ateme kokoso yi. Ebi ni abambu a ebo man nim no. Ebi ni yechira hodo a yechire. If you say Ghana is hanging. I don't want to put Ghana on autopilot because it's more dangerous. Who the autopilot bem dia? Ye won twetwede say ni bia bia e dia nya kire. Enim bia bia pese ye ko. Ba ye hu anamo asisi ye tudi kosa bia ye ko. It's Ghana since ho, and it's dangerous for us. It's not healthy for us. Also, no pa. Now, share say the Ghana city here. No, we say, and here from Ghana, you don't get the answer. Where are we heading towards as a country? I don't see it. I don't because I knee-jerk reactions in Guam and I didn't mind say. It is a maybe the more we hang the country, the more we call danger for ourselves.
Yeah.
Because if it's hanging, we cannot continue to endure the pain. Because now say tataya. Now nine kafoma. Kopim se be kafoma ma onana shasiye amem kom kakra no anabanya Dr. Papa amnetima ma onobia whilst even hanging no odi be sustain ho no. In this case the idea so ya sekura as guys sekura no yenya tiara material control for enu dwa no mbedwa say wa beje beyond 6 months sekura no ye te akra ne ka say dollar ye ni dwa dollar mu bi every blessed second bia no in this country no ye di dwa dollar mu
ekoso
so Ghana is hanging.
We are in the third quarter of 2021.
Ghana is maybe my assembly for common fund. But I'm saying Ghana is hanging.
Yeah.
It's hanging as a result of a certain decision that needs to be taken by the chief executive of the land. In this case, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and the team. And they are refusing. Because we are not privy to any reason. They are refusing to ensure this aspect of our democracy effectively. We cannot buy any excuses again. Because see, baby outie, you can say my excuses the next 2 weeks why you cannot come to work. The chiriba the osiwa nano da na kwai when ni cry chuchu kakra wakonya ibi udidi ma o me broso itu kesu ebeba mic. Excuses are part of the human setup. If you don't really set up by the time we no 1st December 2021 now we are still looking for board looking for chief executive and director generals. These public and civil servants reasonable number of them or more actions they take advantage of the loophole. Whoever is appointed to fit into a certain position, obekono so onye obi smart intelligence no e discern na nyame favor e kan ho a obeko akoye nyoma poto. So Mr. President, you have not failed Ghana, but you are pointing to a certain angle. One way you bet him their target. Because it doesn't, there's no reason. There is no reason, absolutely no reason for this delay. that excuses somebody must say near deputy ministers near way and so what? This
it's not like
it's a continuing government.
It's not like Nipanin.
This is no, I know Mbakacha said they have the men.
Yes.
So where are the men?
Yes. It's
if
not
you
like
have the men.
Nipanin.
You don't sit for 7 months. And governance, the moment you said yeah, something so extraordinary, a reserved for a certain class of people, and so on. It's not rocket science. Oh. We want this country to move forward. In moving forward, people have been mandated to take certain decisions in the interest of this country. Where are those people? Where are those people? This country, where are those people? Because Obia so na basa na odiko na sempa be so ne kon na otu na odiko na kwabna fa ne nine na odiko na sija be fa ne backbone na odiko enti before e be say sija sempa o man ne abeki kasa joint nyina bomam na complete human being no na a lot of things are damaged.
Wrong. Yeah.
It's an appeal to his president, the president of this land, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Nana Wadaroma. You are there to serve the interest of a reasonable number of Ghanaians. Let us feel, let us see that indeed, cha o chair and the crash or backward joiners or cha. Not just yes.
And I think this is when where a Council of State so mutimi friend trans no mutunifo. Ebisa no nientia sana montwe esensen ho sa.
Well, media me can be me say ubusa am say Ghana ti say ana me do this ankomo no.
Yeah.
The to be the organizers of the Ejura for just Ghana say Kaka for or say Kaka. No, justice for Kaka.
Another demonstration.
Justice for Kaka.
March for justice.
March for sorry. March for justice.
Yeah.
Kaka need the main focus.
Yeah.
Say Ghana the Kaka. Is that right?
Yeah.
Kaka need the main focus. Medomasi. Excellent job. From sprinters to the presidency to parliament is not a joke. Even though the normal inconvenience are associated with demonstrations in terms of traffic.
Yeah.
They will crew more.
Yeah.
But Medomasi. They have demonstrated that almost a part of the country. Now, in somehow more, one of the options for every Ghanaian, and they say, Obey Yetra, Tietia, Obifa, Udieso, no Etimania, Aquenya, Akanasem. Kasabebre, Akoso. Abamu penny fonso muko jina, abanemu, the presidency, parliament, is omujina speaker, nemu, Eji, Omunina, Kasakama. Say, Kabima Minka Bibekosoa. Eya san komo we ni nkita hodie we anasese boa e ma timi dimu na ewie peyo kakra meka che minua kuma Sam George ni say oye asori panyin de dikan no ana osaye obi a mabunu dodo na no ehwe ne so editu anamon oye extremely influential in this country whether opeo ti ahobrasim. If you saw your Parliament, they represent our interests.
Yeah.
But me train just to say, or no one tro kunkuno didi no ken kan say. Ya wadie nyina ho kwan.
So nya die nyina na fatan.
So nya nyina na biribia da e fatan. Ti mesre no. Say yan kasa be boa atima mabambo adwumaku ahodo nyina no agina omo na so pampia. Ensem ni bi wo ho a. Young Momodia, yes, ni yenka. If you say, Usha, and some be what you can. Ain't me for Papa yo. Any a year assumed Emma Bamba Jumanum, Bambom Penufumu, and your Maya team, no matter how bitter your experience has been. I'm sure, say you still look for, in this case, Sam George, honorable.
Yeah.
You still look for the best for this country. You might have your pain, you might have your disagreement, you might have your disappointment, but certain utterances, when it was not that intent.
Yeah.
Now I come for me into that intent.
So, and some of
a fantastic demonstration.
Yeah.
They have expressed the opinion, and those opinions should not end there. The responsible agencies, personalities, and Nipa is omutu sa namon. As I say, omutu sa namon quick because ya brand committees of inquiry and commissions of inquiry. Enkosiaga ya bre any position soldier for yentimi hu ade krontia a normal police officer or a normal military officer will shoot through the crowd. Dear Nasi, Mumayu, ya brand say, yentimi ma yentiti and conkai, a binum say, na rubber bullets anyway, a binum say, na tear gas anyway, a binum say, na pepper spray anyway. We lack knowledge and intelligence, but sometimes they give us the room to also say some of the things that Ebiani and Nihunim dear. Etimo minds are quenyano.
To speculate.
To even speculate.
Yeah.
It's a passaya. Omo nanchire mu eto asumu e be Ghana de hye wato omo no. Bibia timi akoyi na akokama. Ba Ghana de bi wiase meka no. Achia se den kwana ne aduane nkom no aka asase ne kwana. Esan se duane nkasa muye ni ntino. Still, e gina na so say Ghana ebeyi and that's wo but yema ye nyina ye focus no enye that sense of patriotism. Emu na hot to say the Osha sympathy one. Aye kwabo yi. Emu na ho. Meaning agunaphobia ye me na phobia mema nyina no. Kwabo. Sometimes I wonder if the president cross or in chief ho na everybody. The president team food. Me